Okay, to install EZA in Ubuntu 24.04, go to your terminal and type sudo apt install EZA EZA-y. When that's done, we can start using it. If you just type EZA, you get a horizontal list of all your files and directories. A better way to do that would be to type EZA-L. Now we get a nice listing. We can see our directories identified on the left side, but a better way to display this would be to type EZA-LH, and then we can get column headers. If you want to see your hidden files, type EZA-LHA. You can see my hidden file .test3. That's all there is to it. Thanks for watching.